Hey everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to fix your iPhone, which is not getting any notifications. And I know that can be such a hassle, so we're going to start with the easiest things first, that it might be that your do not disturb is on, so you might want to turn that off on this settings right here. But there's so much more that could be happening behind the scenes. So let's launch our settings right here, and I'm going to go to focus. There you're going to see there's so many different types of focus, including do not disturb, driving, sleep, work, or any others that you create yourself. The first thing you want to do is check out share across devices. Now I have it enabled and I'm going to disable it because if I turn on do not disturb on my MacBook, it will also turn on my phone. Now you can keep that enabled if you like that, but personally I'm going to turn it off. Next, we're going to go to, for example, work. Down here, you have set a schedule. Now, there's something called smart activation where your iPhone determines what times you're driving or working, and it automatically turns on you do not disturb. Now, if you want all your notifications pouring in at all times, you want to make sure you turn that off. Similarly, you can also set a schedule like this and you might have it on, so turn it off to make sure you're getting all the notifications you need, and you want to do that for every single do not disturb focus you have. Next, if you're still experiencing issues, you might want to go to the notification section of the settings app. Now check it out. For example, I happen to have Amazon notifications off, so I can turn them on, and I can also edit other things as well here. Now check this out. They actually have a scheduled summary feature where it gives you a summary of all your notifications every single day at set times. If you have that on, turn that off because it might be keeping you from receiving your actual notifications. Lastly, if you're still experiencing these issues, you might want to go to your app store and make sure that everything is updated. As you can see, everything was updated recently, so I'm good, but you might have some apps that need update. And lastly, if it's still not working, refresh your phone, turn it off, turn it back on. It might work like that. Check all of these tools out and it might help you fix your issue. Bye.